The next People's National Party government has identified land and housing as a priority for national transformation. We begin from the principle that every Jamaican who desires to own a home should be facilitated to do so at all costs. Home ownership in the 21st century must be treated as a right, similar to education and health. Yes. The inability of thousands to own a home is rooted in the structural inequalities that govern Jamaican society. One essential step is to accept informality as a legitimate mode of urbanization. We must support and collaborate with those who are parceling land and constructing buildings in informal settlements rather than working against them.
Hear, hear.
I'll get to that soon. This will not be easy. It challenges our sense of order. However, in a society marked by profound structural informality and deep inequality, true social cohesion can only be achieved through dialogue and consultation with a clear framework of legal reform.
Hear, hear.
Such an approach will yield better results rather than a heavy-handed and punitive approach. Order in a democratic society comes from agreed norms, not from a big stick or a bulldozer.